Variative was na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Loice Gava elizoba norwa mkaga hebero na bibiri byo kwa 8:26 eshaha n'ibiri ezo mwebazyo reka tubayisiye hebisha mutugwa makuru kuturagaje tuja kujana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinairo
singa kwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacencwire kireki abebyo kwerinda bakwata motoka ibiri ezabazekorire nyamakuru matungo genyibano
amatungaga nibatugambira ngo bagihiro mbicoka byasanga.
Landlord yatuntumura polisi mu makage ahabo kumunyaga
rumzin zona zalzemtwara binesa
abacegegwa n'abakwatana baragara ahabwa polisi kubasanura bwira bwashesha
siga zigasaha isa tuyina no sangensi yona homera atalira muntu horarora habwesonga nibatina kubakwa
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinairo
singa kwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity na Loice Gava gana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire ekiro cyashesherizoba polisi yambara n'abasirikare ba UPDF bakwate motoka ibiri ezechika ezcha kanta box body ezubireze kurire nyamayente zirukukasha tunamwenda nembuzi zirukike 10 ezirukugambwa kubazibirwe okurwo mu Rusanga Kiruhura district.
Omudumuzi wa polisi abwambara Central Police Kenneth Kabwigo yajangwe motokezi namba UR 18 AE kanta na UBR Shanjabinemwe eni nizo zikwatirwa muri Mbarara City zekorire nyama ebigere mitwe n'amara hamwe n'embuzi kandi motokezi ibiri niza Kasese na DRC
kutwabakwata motoka twaiza kuzikwata tuzi checkinga tushangamu ente zisirwe ninga zifire zibashazire ente ezukuhika 39 na nembuzi 10 amatungaga nibatugambira ngo bagihiro mbicoka byasanga babire nibazitwara Kasese na Kongo so twabakwata ezimwe nangwente zibezinena n'abantu munda tukamanyire exactly bazihire tukamanyire kigenderwa akubana bazitwara rumbahenze bw'amateka cyoko cyabyo teka ngo zibirwe.
Kabwigo yajangwa kwasera abantu bashata barumba za Steve no imyaka nkagenza rwa DR Congo bito mutuzi wa Rusaso mu Kasese mutesa serapite imyaka 20 ku rugendo mu Masaka na Muhindo John Mero imyaka 50 ku rugo mu Rubwera Kasese
twabakwata nibatambara umurimbariro mu kibugomo bari kutambara ne motoka ibiri za box body omotoka omo twabantu tebereza ngo bineme bintu ebitakwikiriza bw'amateka
okurya Dr. Brian Aino muchomsha wa matungo muri Mbarara City bwa nyuma yo kucebera nyameji yajanga utere mu muhanda murungi agwo kubura stampu
twashanga ngo nyameru tera umuhanda murungi emotoka ezazekorire nyamezi is believed ngo bantu bazitwara Kongo na Kasese which is not allowed tikiri mu mateka kwikiriza nyama kugenda mugeze motoka za box body rero fa twakebere nyama agezaho nakebere nyama agiye kizamininga nakora postmortem ashanga ngo ente zimwe zibere zeferire nyamendije bari bapakire ebire zirye ebitorogo harimo nembuzi ezeferire
ogunajya no muringo gubabamba gitambuzamo nagwe tugushoborokere amakuru agashoka Fred turyakira kabango
webare Fred turyakira mu district ya Kabarore mukama w'amaju habinjire police mu majuge bwanyuma yo kumara emyaka mukaga batarukushashura rent chiko police poste twirene korera mu majuge mpansano kandi bamazira mezi nshanju na ebiri batarukushashura enshonga bwenshi mukama w'amaju abatuntumwire Jonan Singwire aineberukira
okumara amezi nshanju n'abiri nayi munakasi atwiragumisirize polisi okupangisa kungo kugumisiriza n'embabazi bishikire byahikaha muheru nikwe kubinga polisi ya Kiko omu majuge ahabwa obunyagi
akaja kanso netumanyisa ngo nenda polisi kugipangisa amaju twabaza nabo twakora agreement ngo sente zibaratusasuraga tukiranganiza rooms yina nenkomemo kale rooms yina zona zalize mutwara 23
nakasi nagira ngo n'obukanso yabire neshashorera police postage embere kaba netambura kurungi konka kanso kuyarekiraho embera yaguma
hanyuma y'imyaka 5 kanso yareka kutusasura hati tuikara haho mu mwanya tutakumanya polisi noha yagiresere obuturaba banza no haratukwasa kutugambera ngo obuturakaguza kale otusokaguza ngo rundi polisi no kale nko otusokaguza kugamba ngo polisi kalema kutusasura kole tota twina muntu weno twahikireho otwamaze twahika mu government
abantu babanje bwa miliyoni 15 n'emitwaro nkaga nena omusente za Uganda
polisi nayo negamba te kusasura kanse takakozereke etakasaswira ibanja hati ito tuli hagati yaho tukombeka amazi go kutuyamba kurorera abana bitu nito kuba betatsazi nugafoka gabusa rundi
nakasi nagira ngo bagerezeho imirundi mingi kubanja sente zabo konka byona byabe byabusha
twikara nabo tutumanyire rukujunanize buhalibo no hana tutumanyire hati twikara mu mwanya kuti twasobera kike cyokora torohaho apolisi baroho bayanga batuletera abandi nabo babateireho imyaka 5 yona kufuna na 10 oburengera aho nutungera akasukuru fizika abana nukakuruga obo buryo nubo turorerire nubo kutulisa no kukora bukintu cyona tuikara namabanje tukagaje
Bright Jabawo Steven orumeya wa Kiko Town Council nagira ngo namazima bakabano bashashorera police ejo rent konka bwanyuma bija babyemereza
amazima Kiko Town Council ekabane sasura police rent mu Kiko Town Council baitu iguri yo kusoriza tukasanga ngo Town Council ekabane kora ensobi iyo kwata sente zo mu musoro ni sasura nesasura polisi
Jabawo nagira ngo n'obujunanizibwa bwa ministry y'enshonga zo munda y'ihanga okutandika kushashorera polisi yabo rent
twategereza ngo Ministry of Internal Affairs niyo yakabiri y'obujunanizibwa bokusasura polisi rent kandi korora mu areas ezimwe tukunebaringa nazo nkakasenda wankenzi iruhura ruhamba polisi nambereri Ministry of Internal Affairs ikatanza na polisi bagora amajwago abantu abone barara amajugabo
Kiko Town Council kuzire muno kandi ebyo kwerinda hano tubiyatagisa muno harumu obusuma wingi ogwa matungo g'abantu twine ebintu nkente mbuzi nkoko harumu butabanguko mu maka ebi byona polisi nekoraki nebirinda kandi etulinzire ku Kiko hano yitwa abantu abatwebembana bagenda gumanganirirwa bina abantu bina businesses mu Kiko Town Council business za abantu bano sosobora kuzirinda tena security twine abantu batungire sente za PDM no bakora projects zitalizimu nazimu abantu nibalisenkuka abantu balisempuno abantu balisenta abantu balisembuza kakuba hata ba security ya hayi ebintu bino bigenda kutalibanizibwa muno
twagambaho n'umugambirizi wa polisi mu cyanga cya Rwenzori ahanshongeji.
It is true that police station is renting from a landlady or a landlord, and it has been there, and the Kiko Town Council, as the council has been unpaying, but we know and we want to assure the residents of Kiko Town Council that the police will keep around because there is a process. The landlady wrote a letter, and they are going to reply her.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.
Mukuru wa Chihara Health Center Kashatu Bells Richard ayemerezibwa hamurimo ahabukora vorongoto akanagijra obujunanizwa wenka incharge wirwareri okwemerezwa kwe nukwijaho bwanyuma y'abakoza hirwareri okomesereza okwari kubatwariza kubino butafayo koro murumogwe amani akagatabaraye Michael atwachire ayinebero kuchiraho.
Amakuru go kwemerezibwa kwa incharge wa Chihara Health Center ya Kashatu Richard Bells kwanjurwa b'umukuru w'abakozi bashemabire na yanjure nshonge jari ba kansara.
An incharge has been interdicted so that further investigations are conducted. I've instructed my auditor to carry out an audit in that entity to give me more information.
This Haj Isan Subuga na jangu hariyo n'abandi barukuza kwemerezibwa bwo kwatemirimo yabijaga.
This issue of not performing their respective duties is not good, and we shall continue supervising, we shall continue monitoring all health facilities, schools, and even sub-counties to ensure that each one does his or her mandate.
Bakansara bayishikire Chihara bagambiro bwanga bibashangireyo.
Baba kwerizo mu rumuzi gukora bakasayinira gukora gukora ngo kubasebera babagira indukuna nk'abantu bazeho batunge babura guhereza kandi semeye kubana baho guhereza kandi urukusasubwa government
tuzumira buri yomo taking his responsibilities kandi akataking a press on his duty. So namnonga cyo kweyongera gumanza tuzayo mnonga tunonyereza ahabwenki emirimo itakorwa
wakora kuri umuntu go kubanza bageta mistake gukora ko bwo kabiri kandi ogambirwe ne abayaza kuba habit wakora gwa gashatu nebera habit konkite twase twamgambira nkakanso akabikora.
Michael Becengera kansara rukujekera kasana hirwaro rya Chiharari asimire mukuru w'abakozi ari kugira ngo kibire cyarengire.
Chikawe yagamba umuntu waba utasemeye kubukozi mu mugongo ko kuba kuhira bakwete usobora ha wenje tarukora ngo kwase za gukora.
Our will be very easy because when the committees are active, that means everything will move on swiftly.
Bwanyuma yo kushanga ngo Bells Richard akabatarukora akagambira muhezi wa RDC ngo akabatire bambega hirwaro kugumana bamugambere rukufayo kandi ngo burofa bukababurese rwo bufici
toine henshi. Aha. In charge usheme kwa natura hirwaro kaine henshi. How are you going to supervise night duties? No. How are you going to supervise the tracing that she has worked at night, yet you don't have a house here?
Amakuru agasha kwa Michael atwachire.
Michael atwachire bakama bamabara okurgo mu district ya Chegegwa ne betombitira polisi abo kubataho kafi yo kucinga shahina zechiro abantu bagira ngo entasiya yabo ecumbagire.
Abamabarani bajyangwa nyuma ya ministry ya government sebyanga kuragira amabara gigure shamwenda zo mwaziyo polisi ya Chegegwe katawisha izo kucinga amabara butarenze shahina zechiro
siga zikasaha isa tuyina no sangensi yona homera atalira muntu orarura habwensonga nibatina kubako atalira muntu wene kikata na atambura tulimanya kurungi okulembeze wa president Museveni na inyuma aho Chegegwa tukana mzinga aho kafiyo kene kaijaho twatero muranga president Museveni gawa watu ba Chegegwa mbaleka abana bange bareke bakoleke bachakale hatowe kugarurira agini na bwite bintu bino bitambule wa president biko kafuna wete rugo tukora akasente tusosole PDM tusosole na roni tubaje
ngo abantu bakwijja mu lodge mostire mbarukanka mu byaro abantu bakwijja mu lodge mostire mbaruka up country district kandi abantu bakwijja kunywa mabara mostire mbaruka mu byaro mbejanka obwiro bakuteka ngo bakinge ensahino ekikumanyisa amabara bagakingire sahisa akamukinga kugamba sahina tukinga omuntu ene kweteka neza sahisatu atandika kutambura pikamukano hakwije.
Abantu bajyanga polisi yashangwe gwirombwire bwa shahina ne kutera ningo cya sente zo kwecungura kandi byo nabyayanga bakutwara umucome
Chegegwa sub county
operations zeze zitandika very unside bora kabangale kozereki easy kabangalo kwekuija aba polisi bakabangale kubo twakwetanga no kubanza ku observation tubagera imbere ndese samba omubara aba customer bona no yiruka aba bahwera maloji aba bahwera mu toilets no kuzikatsabe
kwanje namutugambire tumaye mutsinkaba patro kujamba frame business bagambe tuntu manyangu aba patro kubarije nibarwo mutwaro twetu kubicire
nimanya kurungi inyuma aho tubaire COVID-19 kandi COVID-19 ekatera muno yitwe abamama basangaga bare kingwire bakingaho hati twaba twatandika nuko kugara ebyeito byafire sazino magamiro yo afyu so na mwecho government tuyambe akiri tusobole kubantu kumizamu kubende tukora emirimo yaitu nkayitwe abakora emirimo yekiro
Eshongeji bagemeserizo kujya urukiko no mwezi wa RDC Winchakwire nawe nuko kwetora kura polisi yakegegwa kugira ngo ashobora bwenshi polisi netera abantu
baitite cyo kingisa cyakwire kibaite kwata umuntu aizira kuchakara government ya Museveni no kwamuteri ni baba tugara mbyetu byenyuma kandi kiti cyo kwakuza madam RDC habwati kegegwa
nibakushaka sente ebene nabanya baya desi n'umuntera yakushaka sente korachi atera kazi
Winchakwire mwezi wa RDC ajemerire polisi abo kutera abantu kandi ko kuragira DPC yo kuyeho kafyu
I'm telling you kopasa kujya munyona abina sente ya Rwanda no batafire iwo mugwate face omudorete ejo kintu cyubwire niko ndaba polisi ya rushaka se ko kubate naita wetu kifuza kubeina I don't know about curfew ndio maneno ajibire polisi ekyakora kibyaho
ogugwaba ryo mu rundo rwa kabiri byo kwerinda n'abato kafyu y'Kibobo mu district ya Kyege gugundo murundi bakagitombwire bwa Ebola amakuru agasha kwa Philip Murangira
webade Philip Murangira ho muri Kyege gwareka tumero tugaraka naganda makuru
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyo kwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mbwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombe chesi changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University. a chartered Christian university located in Kakoa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, Ogito Wagito, Kokamato Chidara, Kabataka Jiremu, MC Takiziri. DJ atumna na wearing ebyoma tugumisize shankibiri
bantu mareka turgomuzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara keke tukaza kunyumbo na wapesi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazgwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensi yona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahiba rukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke ngoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko bya mashamera nogwa mutindo rosfo isi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubiyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form esi yokushemera kwanje
rose form esi yebiroto birungi
Otwiro inechetengo chokushoma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kure ni kugenda omumisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 8 mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Nyebiti kubyenda. Mbengone.
mpenkoni
yakweha utamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompe nkoni nushumurira kushemererwa uhurira ubunuzi na n'obusinge nuwenda kucamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindika omushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinyode ku mpenkoni ukakase kwata nawe nywako
tunga icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mu mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
omweshongozi wawe ririye n'abasuba kweshongorire yawe nongine ruhanga yakukunda nakukunda ifyata yakitagurira yakituletera Kampala omuli Serena Hotel ebiro 10 tubikoma n'umwaka kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushemererwa jishuka ngo shigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro 5 VIP mitwaro 20 tebos a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitaneza bamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Frisco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Receipts JBL kumanya bukukiraho terazura mushaje 8 50 54 nkaga nina amabasha kanje Financial Services
Kantine kibanja niyo mukazo wabarise mu rubaje rw'umuhanda ente yanje konka nkiya musente nagure banja hati indiso mfamwe zanje kandi ente sente kunaguzire banja kunagure ente zagira umugasho naguza amate naba umurisa urukurangana ati ndiyo murisa fama nahinga urutoke urumvi hamwe byo kuriye kuri sa family yanjye kandi ibintu nkaguza kandi naguramu na motoka y'ikutamburamo umusentezo kaziho mu muhame
nimwije mwena tuzepe yanisa etunguka yashira
Korukayo omukahumuro muganda makuru Minister w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwang yashaba abashomesa n'abebembezi b'emyamagara na mnonga matendekero okwejendesereza babana batorana abeji abarukushoma obushaho ebi yabigambira mukoro gwo kujweka abeji 32 abatwire n'abashoma obushaho n'obuzarisa ahari Ntungamo College School of Nursing and Midwifery omuri Ntungamo.
Minisita w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwang ashabira abanyamyuga omukutora n'abeja barukuza kushoma obushaho n'obuzarisa okwejendesereza babano batorana agumize ngo omurimo gwo kukoraho abantu tugwo kuzaniramu abirarya hakujweka abeji 432 abahereze emishomo yabo ahari Ntungamo College School of Nursing and Midwifery omuri Ntungamo District.
This profession is not for failures. Help the country and pick children who have passed, because it's about our lives.
We are going to advertise in January and February. At least I'm going to take 13 of you. First help our own.
Ashoborire ngo bushaho no murimo gurkwetago bahangu no kumanya kutari kujinjirira.
My dear children, my dear brothers here, in life you have to sacrifice. I am happy today. I'm going to award a certificate and a diploma. But with due respect, it's not the end of life, it's the beginning. Don't be comfortable.
So I need secondary schools for the other 5 sub-counties. Out of 39 parishes, only 25 parishes have primary schools. Now I need more primary schools for my constituency.
Aha mukorogu mukuru w'ishomereri Wilbur tukamuhabwa asimire government ahabo kushagika ishomero ryabo.
We thank you, Honorable Minister, for the capitation grant. Every year we receive
capitation grant of 480 million. We thank you. However, given the population, it is really not enough.
Habireho no kwigura ebyombeko by'itendekero eri okwayo mu butongore basi eyabahirwe ministry y'ebyobwegese no kurambura emirimo eriyo nekorera mu itendekero eri. Omugande speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda Right Honorable Jacob Oboth araganise kukora habizwe birukuretera bakama b'amashomero g'abantu buntu bashashuze bishare byinji. Abagambiro bwabira ari omjenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kujweka beji aha Makerere Business School ogw'Umurundi ogw'16.
This graduation, like any other, creates a generational renewal as this institute churning out a new generation of Ugandans to serve our nation and the world.
Speaker Oboth onayorekero kwatwaho ahabwa abana barukoyongera ku rwo mu mashomero ahabwa buremezi butari bumwe na bumwe.
Too many children are dropping out of school and becoming exposed to early pregnancy and marriage, child labor, drug abuse and mental health challenges. When a child loses a parent, we must not allow that child to lose their future.
Mukama w'itendekereri Nathan Itungo asimira abazire ahabo kufayo kushomesa abana n'abana obutahemura abazire babo.
Abazire ejenshomesa ensene basa kuja kubateganisamu abo kuba n'ebintu bingi ebikuba nibyetagisa. Abana nibenda kuyamba kuba rabehoreze kuzomu aheru kuza kushoma omu butare omu maduka omu office. Nibandi benda kuyamba akasente transport abukwana bamishomera hero. Abana bokosa ibintu by'umukono nenda kuba nenda kantu kokosa akuba gweta mu toolbox nenda ka magaro nenda ka spana nenda calculator nenda ka laptop kokosa so abazira mwe basa kureba okushoma kwenda kukwesende nyingi
babaga barashomesa abana batagomba kureba batakozirege kuba ari bo bashomye iby'imikono bishimiye kushomwa abana bina magezi bakakuguhara mu bintu byone bibarasa kuko oba bakombeka indege oba bakakora za computer oba bakakora ki baletenga kuba barya abantu abamagezi.
Abeji 550 nabo batongera certificates na diploma mu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe gasha kwa Ampire Maclean na Muhumuza Jime.
Mwebere abashatsi bitu bamakuru ekitongore kiramuziki kwatanise n'ebitongore bindi batendekera abantu abarukuza kuba nibayamba hakuca emishango y'abantu etajire mu koti abantu 45 nibo batendekera omushomo ho gumaziresha ha 40 aha Hotel Triangle Sengenda Abdukalim aine birukira.
Abatendekerwe barugira mu districts nka Kabare, Mbara, Bushenyi na Rukungiri kandi nibija kuba bayamba za koto mu byanga byabo okugarukanisa abantu abo kuba bene obutikirizana.
As the judiciary, we remain firmly committed to promoting reconciliation among these parties. This is not merely a professional obligation. It is what our cultures demand of us, and it is what Article 126 of the Constitution of Uganda enjoins us to do. Article 126 provides that judicial power belongs to the people, exercised by courts in accordance with societal norms.
Aha mukoro gwo kuhendera omushomogu Justice Jane Francis Abodo, Principal Judge ajwekirwe Justice Kafuzi, Resident Judge wa Mbarara High Court kandi ogwagizirengwa kuchondozo kwakozerwe kashanga ngo kucemishango kurabira mu kugarukanisa abantu ningashi mediation nigwe muhanda gwonko gurukoreta obusingi.
Research and experience have consistently shown that courts decide, but mediation resolves. If what we seek is long-lasting peace, and I believe we all do, then mediation is the path we must wholeheartedly embrace.
Justice Abodo hona shabirabo bona bahereze emishomo okukoresa obuhango bubatendekerwe koreta obusinge n'obutebekana ombyanga byabe barukurugamu.
To whom much is given, much is expected. I therefore urge each one of you to take this training seriously. Go back to your stations and become active promoters of peace. Do not let what you have learnt remain in this room.
Abahereza omushomo ogu basimire ekitongore kiramuzi n'ebindi bikwatanise nakyo okutaho omushomo ogu bagumize ngu eki nikija kuhwera okukyendeza emishango
rukundo abantu okugarukana kandi emishango uko abantu bona nosanga biine ebindagaano benda kwitana nango n'abandi bitana n'abana batano osanga omuntu takuramutsa mugenzi we konka eki kiruho omuntu naija bampa fayire okuruga omu kooti nakugirira obwire twashitama hamwe nosanga n'omugenzi we ekyomukufa nanogu kitaba kyangu munonga
kwatamu abantu abeija ahagati yetu information ei batuhereza kushemererwa tukihandoringa batushomesa kuruga aha kutandika mpaka aha muheru so time yetu mazira aha yabereye nkuru munonga nyowe nyappreciatinga ninsiima abantu abatebekanise training egi ebirenetengwa munonga
mwene ekirungi kya training eki tukozire etwongere aha bukugu tube turi n'omukugu nga twongera hariki aha bukugu so ninsiima Judicial Training Institute nsiima IDRO nsiima na registrar witu wa Kabare kana jaji witu wa Kabare kugira bakantamo ogwesigwa banta omuri egi group yokuza kubanza kutrainingwa omu ihanga lyona
Gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.
Ab'ebyobutegeki abebembezi n'abanyamakuru binamiro mbiri g'omunyamakuru Anthony Kushaba aha kitebe kya district ya Ntungamo okuba musima habw'okukora entunguuka kandi n'okuba n'omwete aha murumo gwe.
Aharisha mukaga z'ihangwe ombere gw'omugenzi Anthony Kushaba gwahikibwa aha kitebe kikuru kya district ya Ntungamo okuruga ah'irwariro ery'Itojo. Aha myaka 38 y'obukuru yonka Kushaba abira ry'omunyamakuru Ranganwa ashanjura feriro munju ahabire natura izoba lya nyuma y'abazyo kandi emfa ye ekangire bingi. Prosper Betungura munywani we yashobora obunaku bwa Kushaba obwa muheru no kubizire kumushanga afire.
Reka za polisi turupotinge tutemije abaro bacu ile tururash to polisi is just there bazo ki polisi ija chenju basha Anthony abyamajumire ayeshuye kiga hafu we ajyo mu vesti lying upside down ajumire afero dead.
Arukugamba ha mugenzi Kushaba mukuru w'abakozi ba district ya Ntungamo yajangwa omugenzi abira ryo mukozi wo mutano kandi atarukunda bituga.
Icyo mutayine kwetegereza no kumanya gumomo Anthony abire na akora kutebukinga mnonga kandi kutarese nango mwaka gumwe n'icyo ego kumaze rikaga mu office abo umuntu wari mu office aizere kugira Anthony kuya kunaza nguryo mu office ngo akorere ikintu yashare kituka.
Okusibura omugenzi Kushaba kwahikwaho omukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa Ntungamo district Samuel Muchunguzi rwa Kigoba kandi yajanga Kushaba abari omukozi otarukweganda orukorera buri omwe mu kanso nangwa no kwera abandi bakozi ba government.
Kandi umuntu urukugezaho kuraba mu ecyashoboye yaraba gushobora
n'obusasi bwingi ishe wa Kushaba yajangwa iheraho kuba mutabani abari munywani we kandi binishe bashaba government okwera beka omukuza abana basigara enyuma.
At the same time, you rest in peace.
Andrei, nashobora kumukira kumuya ndatiye mu Ntungamo imbere y'isangire kumuya
omukazi w'omugenzi yagamba nko Kushaba abire atariba kyonka kureka munywani we owahamara. Bakansara bagamba hari Kushaba nk'omuntu obahwerire munonga omukireka kyakaba mazire nawe kwihabarahira.
aine akakwica mupiri kandi nitupenda nibwo muhanda madamu wasigaraho n'abana uhanga n'undi wawe w'akazi niwe nyina umwigisha w'ubuvuzi
icyo kubanza Alfred abira y'umushaha abira nzeze pangu kongabya nayo aino kiro makaraga bizimana binani wakimpasu omuntu genda byaino kira
Omunyamakuru Anthony Kushaba akatandika by'amakuru mu mwaka gwa 2009 aha Radio BFM mu Rushenyi yaruga yaza kabare aha Voice of Kigezi na wanyuma yakorera kitongore cha Uganda Radio Network. Ahiyaza kufera Kushaba yaba mazire myaka 8 arukora nkwebyo makuru aha district ya Ntungamo yafera ha myaka 38 y'obukuru kandi yasigo mukazi omwe n'abana babiri babojo. Kushaba naza kuzikwa nyencha kare omururu wa Town Council Ntungamo district omwizina ly'abanyamakuru bona Anthony Kushaba ntwendeze cyumuro kirungi gasha kwa Edson Chinene.
Babere Edson Chinene Anthony Mkamakwereze ecumuro kirungi reka tumbereho ntugaruka naganda makuru.
Alo.
Ese bomwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka?
Ngabisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Nedda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti rangi je tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti nefali y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ukamotia. Oina kachi. Kagulinzi tekako. Teka kagulinzi. I want everything, eh? Okay. Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey! Hemutieni momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey! Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial star 165 *5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m., Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m., Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m., and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m. Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, Channel 134 on GoTV.
oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband komore tukunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink cyutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nicikuyambaho kwigura misi kireta amana masyo mubashirira hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwatakaboze multivitamin drink otuntumure cyubaro na stress eco kunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink nikikorwa bakaboze health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe bipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarket hamwe n'imotoka z'abakaboze okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya bikukiraho 0 15 0
omweshongozi wawe ririye nabasuba kweshongori yawe nongine ruhanga yakukunda ndakukunda ifyata yachitaguru yachituletera Kampala omuli Serena Hotel ebiruma kumesho tubikoma n'umwako kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngoshigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro leta VIP mitwaro 20 tebos a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitane z'abamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Farmers Sam's Crisps JBL kumanya bukukiraho tera 0 50 50 nkaga nina amabasha kanje. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. Surrender today and show your smile, please. The world smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Surrender today, let's see those smiles, please.
Bet kukebet, kuba bet kukebet, siba bet kukebet, we wina kukebet, siba mane kukebet, we wangu nile motoka, yes, buli mwezi kebet, egaba ye motoka, siba mane kukebet, we wangu nile pichi, anti kukebet, buli week ofunayo pichi.
K-Bet and Vroom! Gwe wina! Kagwira unatere kwa unga ya chibi? Nga kumuloni guno, ogenda kufuna msogu wangu le motoka, pichi, milioni 2 buli wiki, nebirala bingi. Genda kumsaiti ya fe ku kbet.ug. Ha! Kumuloni guno na waka pesa ku kantu poli. Aliko ya teoniga star, emumnana 5 star, 3 star, 2 hash. Aliko mtenyiga star, emumukaga 5 star, nya star, mukaga star, nya hash. Betting is for persons 25 years and above. Betting is addictive and can be psychologically harmful.
Mami! Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Ha. Kagulinzi tekako. Teka kagulinzi. I want everything, eh? Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Hemutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put in more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial star 165 star 5 hash to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business ser busy konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi.
na app ya Numida no basa kutunga roni ombwira tunga roni okugerera kimwe shiringi obukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya Numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira downloading app ya Numida okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu emwe ina emwe ishatu Numida fast simple built for business.
hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro quality pads affordable price pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bwizoba ya Afrika. Feathers Pads niziretwa umusize nyingi ahari mu empango neza burijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba umumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okoroba amani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukumi bwo mutano umbwire bwo mutano.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
ndabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shuwa
kati nange bampakingire
honey mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains.
It's a special goal. Cometh the hour, cometh the man. This football is from the heavens. What a story this is. 10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on SuperSport. It's on GoTV.
Wabere kubano tureba makuru ga TV West kandi reka tukusiye hagandi bakuru bentebe yo kubanza barabwa okwetantara okwijurira amatungo agatine bandiko ebirukwetegerezwa ebibugambirwe ahambuga ya town council yari Antonde ahamukorogo kurahiza bakuru bentebe yo kubanza
omukurahiro ku abebemeze borekero kwatwa habwa abamwe bakuru bentebe yo kubanza abarukwijurira amatungo genyu bano ecyongera obushuma bw'amatungo muri Lyantonde.
I will preserve, protect and defend it. So help me Allah. Mambo marengo goroha tunogo kwiba uko kwibende na nemusi kumukumanya basebo na banyago so no shanga baje amaso nebiti bakwatagana n'abashuma baza kwijurira ndezenshuba kuzwara hano ate nabweshira jiro syanchira ngo bashanga wijurete yenshuma bakware twarondedwa kubantu tubere bafuzi abula twarondedwa okulabanga tuli bakulembeze okusobola okulembera abantu baffe n'okubaweereza.
Abahona barabwirwa kutahwa amano kureba ngo kiragero cyo kwigura amabara shaha mwenda zihangwe cyakuraterwa.
Amabara bona igari umuso ine basi otokwicizwa kuguze mwenje sakacheshamwe so adino bache kwazo ni mwenye byona ne bambo kwazo wale wa muntu yajirata yibure barasa yinitano ngambe chiba
bache amane bentebe zo kubanza neza kabero ku rugo mu wodu mushansho nabo barahizibwe
uteko kubanga uyiruko
n'obuvunanyizibwa obukwanaganya abantu okubajja mu ntalo kubanga omukulembeze omubi n'ekyalo kyonooneka.
Iyo bari utasusura mu madini, iyo bari utasusura mu mahanga, iyo bari kuba umusizi uri kweyemerera mukama kikubarire kandi akuhangaze emyaka.
Omuganda omutahuna kanso y'ishongorero muri Ibanda batinire kurahira omwe ahandi ejo habwo kwehara orungereza okubasibanga. Bitu n'ubu bahirwe empapura zo kushoma ebirahiro babiri nibashomerwa batyo bagarukamu nk'abagore omu kanisa.
Umuseru yanjye nyine mu kizibu cy'abashuma abarisha bakagwiza abantu bakabiba kandi umugisha bakavuga bagambana ngo kisange cyakuna kurara twayitegira gukora buri kimwe cyona kureba ngo abashuma abo twabamaraho.
Government ensa kameya witu ravu utabajuka yaturaganise kugira ngo buri season yatiro program y'umana tubona endubo kandi tubona nebigimusa habwa amataka gacho kurukire.
Bwa nyuma yo kurahizibwa begesibwe emyoga yabo kandi bashabirwe obutakoresa kuba sitampu.
Omyogejo omukuru mwino kushusha muryawa kibe mushango muri murkoti harengo rwa LC1 murkoti konka ari mushango y'imutakwataho tumukwata mushango emice igiba kweta sivu amabanja okujumana kurwana ko okufara mukufutaza
nimba higa kwatanisa n'abantu obutabiyaho bituga abukwe bituga abaturene babiyaho tubagarukine stampezi babasize kurabamo kwika ezishaha ahituri orunako ruzatabarurira.
Gashakwa Sandeke William na Timothy Mushabe.
Omakuru agebyemizano Rwenzori Marathon ezasingwa Leonard Chemongez owasinga eza kilomita 82 mu mpaka ez'abazinyo mu district ya Kasese. Abandi biruki bayitabo mu mpaka eza kilomita 5 kandi abasinguzi bahebwe biconco.
Ladies and gentlemen, 5 minutes.
And don't stop here. After dancing, after celebrating, after running, go and climb Rwenzori. Look at the savannah. Look at the forest. Look at the bamboos. Look at the animal. Here we are celebrating the uniqueness of Rwenzori Mountain.
The first marathon, we ran short of chicken. We ran short of eggs. We ran short of pork. But this marathon, everything is there. Because people have embraced it. They made sure they rear enough chicken to tap into the market.
Because it brings people together. They appreciate what is happening within the Rwenzoris. They kind of come to understand what it means to interface with nature. As people were scaling the Rwenzori mountains, they were able to see the beautiful views, looking at River Nyamwamba, which usually floods, and coming together.
We want to structure the marathon to consolidate it. But we also want to ensure that the local economy gets even more benefits. There are benefits we are getting, but we can get more. So all of you, the people of Rwenzori, the people of Kasese, the people of Nyangaro, the people of Nyarugu, let us sit down and see what more.
So itwenka ministry ntu supporting events nkezi abo kuba niziretera abanya-Uganda okumanya ihanga ryabo abo ko abantu abari ahati bakasese bonka nibarugo mu bicweka bingi konka nibiretera n'abantu oburambuzi okweyongera mu